Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're tackling a critical topic: how our dietary choices can impact our energy and vitality, especially in intimate moments. It's no secret that what we eat plays a significant role in our overall health and performance. Before we dive into today's recipe for a powerful energy drink, let's discuss how consuming junk foods can harm your manpower. Today we're creating a potent energy drink designed to boost stamina and vitality. This drink is loaded with natural ingredients known for their energy-boosting properties. Plus, for those of you looking for a convenient alternative, I'll also recommend a supplement that aligns with this recipe. Ingredients. Ginger enhances circulation and energy levels. Honey, natural energy booster and sweetener. A lemon rich in vitamin C and antioxidants. Cinnamon improves blood flow and adds flavor. Water essential for hydration and overall health. A recipe preparation. Start by grating or finely chopping fresh ginger. Squeeze the juice of 1 lemon into a glass. Add a teaspoon of honey for sweetness and energy. Sprinkle in a pinch of cinnamon for added flavor and circulation benefits. Fill the glass with warm water and stir well to combine all the ingredients. Benefits of this energy drink: naturally boosts energy and stamina. Supports circulation and blood flow. Provides essential vitamins and antioxidants. There you have it, a simple yet powerful energy drink you can make at home to boost your vitality and energy levels. Remember, making healthy choices like this can significantly impact your overall health and performance. Before you go, don't forget to check out the XYZ's Energy Boost capsules linked in the description below. They offer a convenient way to support your energy needs, especially when you're on the go. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button, subscribe to our channel for more health and fitness tips, and let us know in the comments if you try this energy drink or the supplement. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.